Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. Today I have found a solution for a technical problem and I will show you in the video. I think it will help you, and if it does, please subscribe to my channel and support me if you wish. I would appreciate that. Bye! Thank you guys for watching the video. I hope that the solution or the solutions helped you right there. And if they did, please consider subscribing to my channel. I would love it. Thank you. Bye.